It's way too early right now on a Saturday morning, 6 o'clock. We're about to go meet up with the guys to go cruise the mountains. Let's get this shit going. All right, made it to the first meet spot. We fill up on some gas, probably get some food, and then we're gonna wait for the boys to show up.
Much later.
The boys just showed up. Here we go. What up?
Dude, my back's gonna kill me today, look.
Oh, you put the seat in there?
I fucking seated just yesterday, and now we're on like a 7-hour cruise. What's
Good luck.
going on, man?
Yo.
Oh my god.
Look at that. Looks sweet.
Oh,
Wake up.
Get some coffee. All right, let's pump some gas.
$6 a gallon. Put $32 in 5 gallons. Man, it's such a beautiful morning. I don't know, man. I hate getting up early in the morning, but these mornings are absolutely fantastic, beautiful. It should be for a good trip, but a quick sit rep on the Supra, running absolutely. All right. Supra is running absolutely fantastic. Some upgrades, I need to get some suspension components from SPL in order to make the car more stable during turns. And I also plan to go with port injection. So in order for me to, make more power, it's only running about 20 PSI of boost, and run E85, each car should make around 650, almost 700-ish, according to my tuner, Mikey Body. And then after that, if I get that power, of course, I need to upgrade the transmission because the stock transmission is going to slip at those torque levels. And then, of course, I'm going to need more grip as far as tires, upgrade the tires in order to handle the extra power. So those are in the works. Kind of expensive, but you know what? You got to do what you got to do. All right, we're just setting up some cameras right now. It's going to be a nice trip. I know it's like only 8 o'clock or 8:30-ish, and it's already super duper busy, but I'll try not to get run over here. What's up? But got the cameras going. Hopefully we get some good footage. Jimmy Neutron here working his magic. We usually do this run about once a year, so it's like an annual thing. Nice twisty road. Another road that I recommend if you are in the Washington area or visiting the Washington area is a Mount Rainier National Park. It's a little bit touristy. Of course, as you can see, lots of traffic, but the views are absolutely incredible up here. Pretty cool, pretty cool. All right. Busy out here. There's a lot of people. All right, and off we go. Unfortunately, the road to the other pass is closed, so we're gonna go down as far as we can, but we're gonna have to turn around. I think there's might be a fire or construction going on, but this part of the cruise is actually pretty cool, very scenic.
At the next stop sign, turn right.
Thanks for pulling over, I appreciate it. Now this is a drive right here. Look at that view as we're going down the mountain. All right, the road was closed, so we had to turn around. Nice little run.
I'm not gonna lie, I don't mind going back down and back up. That's kind of fun.
I know, you want to?
I'm going to be out one more time.
Get some shots?
I'm gonna set up my GoPro to face the front now.
Hell yeah. Would you look at that? Fantastic. Yeah, there's landslides down there. No wonder why the roads are closed. Got it. All right. Fortunately, this is where the road ends for us. Of course, you see they got the barriers out there. Can't go any farther. It sucks, but it is what it is. Beautiful. It's just so relaxing. The sound of the water.
There was a landslide and some construction down on Sunrise. Picking up the engine bay, get some exhaust clips for you guys, and then I don't know what we're doing from there. All right, since this is closed out and nobody's around here, I'm gonna get a sound clip of everybody's car. All right, that was JR's. Everybody in the vlog, pick which one's your favorite sound. I got some, yeah. Rob, what's up?
That was a long drive. Man, I'm about to get some tacos because we are starving. Let's do this. Rubbing California burrito, tacos. Pretty good. Kiss?
Catch y'all later.
Yeah, next time, right?
Yep, for sure.
And we're out, guys. I am beat, I'm tired.
1 week later.
Going up some twisty mountain roads again. Of course, you guys know I love driving the back roads here in Washington State, but we're going up to Artist Point. Never been up this road before, and so far the road is pretty cool. It's nice and smooth, not as bumpy as the last one, but the peak that we're going to should be pretty scenic. I hope so, but so far so good. I'm enjoying this road trip so far. It is kind of far away from home though. It's pretty dang far, but hopefully it's worth it. See a lot of car enthusiasts driving up here. I don't blame them. I wanted to go up here with the group, but it's really hard to get a group of people to come up here. It is kind of far away from everything. A Miata properly driven in the mountains with the top down. Can't blame them. Now, when I say that these people drive slow, I'm not joking. These people drive really, really slow. It's no joke. Wow, that is dope. Wait a minute. We were going up that road up there? Oh, hell yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Check this out. Oh, this is going to be super duper fun. It says, caution, winding road, single lane switchbacks. Okay, I'm fine with that. Oh man, this is a tight road. Oh, wow, this is tight. Road is legit. Wonder what the elevation is right here. See, we're getting up to the tree line, so we're probably around 5,000 feet-ish. Looks like we made it to the top of the road, and that mountain is absolutely beautiful. Don't know which mountain that is. I don't know if that's a glacier on top, but wow, that's absolutely stunning. Get you guys a better view of the road. Just look how sharp these corners are. Looks like you're gonna drive off this cliff. So it literally looks like. Definitely coming back here. Definitely. And I'm gonna bring all my camera gear. I didn't think it was gonna be like this. I really, you know, it exceeded my expectations, which is one of of the reasons why I didn't bring my camera here. This is just going to be a quick trip in and out, but yeah.